Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Josh with JC Fitness, and today we'll be talking about L-sits, and particularly L-sits transitioning into like a planche or even a handstand. So L-sits are quite basic, but it does take some practice to get the right techniques. So what I like about the L-sit is that it transitions very well into harder skills like the planche, right? Or even into a handstand. So today I'll show you what the L-sit looks like, and then I'll go into some of the techniques, and then I'll give you some basic tuck planche instructions. All right, so let's get into it. So L-sits can be done on the floor. Or you can do it on parallettes. Nice thing about parallettes is it gives you some space if your legs are, you can't quite fully extend your legs. Yeah. You can also do it on the rings or on the parallette or on the pull-up bars. But for today's video, we'll be doing it on the parallettes. So the first thing you want to do is you want to push down, like that. Push all the way down, push into your shoulders. So what you want to do is get your shoulders into the right position, right? So it'll be a more stable and stronger position. So that position right there is what's key when you start moving into different variations like the planche. Okay? And then what you can do is, when you're ready, you can bring your legs into a tuck position. Like that. You can hold that for time, and then you can bring out one leg, bring out the other leg, and you can go back and forth like that. So when you're ready, you can bring out both legs. So in the beginning, you might not be able to go all the way straight. Maybe, you might just be on the floor. You might not be able to go all the way straight. But that's okay. One thing I might say is that if you have a hard time either straightening out your legs or going parallel, is that your hamstrings are probably tight. So what you can do is just do some pike stretches. And that'll just loosen up your hamstrings. Yeah. So that's the L-sit. And the cool thing about L-sits are you can transition from the L-sit into a planche, and even eventually into your handstand. Right. I like to get into my L-sit first before I get into my planche position, right? Or even a tuck. You can go straight into your tuck position or your planche. With the L-sit, it'll get your shoulders into the right position, and then also when you're in your L-sit, your core is tensed and flexed. Your core is properly braced for your planche position, right? So what we're gonna do is go into our L-sit, get into a tuck. We'll lean our shoulders forward and then bring our hips up, okay? So shoulders forward, over your hands, and then bring your hips up. So I hope you found this to be a cool video, and yeah, drop me a comment and hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.